During Apple's annual developers conference, WWDC, on Monday, the company showcased its substantial involvement in cutting-edge artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, by announcing some much-awaited AI improvements. While Microsoft, Google, and startups like OpenAI had been actively adopting advanced ML technologies such as chatbots and generative AI, Apple had seemed less engaged in these areas. However, Apple surprised the audience by announcing several significant AI features that are bound to blow the competition out of the water. What are these features, I hear you ask? Well, let's dive right into them. Apple Vision Pro. One standout feature introduced during the event was Apple Vision Pro, which follows the tradition of Apple's One More Thing announcements. This new augmented reality headset resembles chunky ski goggles that users wear over their eyes, enabling them to see graphics overlaid on the real world. While it won't be available until early 2024 and comes with a hefty starting price of $3,499, the headset is packed with impressive features. It supports many of Apple's existing mobile apps and even allows Mac computer interfaces to be transformed into floating digital windows in midair. One notable innovation showcased by Apple for the Vision Pro is the Persona feature, which heavily relies on machine learning. Utilizing built-in cameras, this feature scans the user's face to create a realistic and interactive digital replica, also known as a digital doppelganger. When the user puts on the headset and joins a FaceTime call or other video conference, their digital twin appears in place of them within the bulky helmet, accurately mapping their expressions and gestures in real time. Apple described Persona as a digital representation of the wearer that is generated using their most advanced ML techniques. Better autocorrect. We all know the frustration that can arise from Apple's current autocorrect features on iPhones. It's no fun when you're typing away, only to have autocorrect replace your intended word with something completely off base. Yes, we're looking at you, ducking. But fear not, because Apple has some exciting news for iOS 17 that's bound to make your texting and typing experience a whole lot smoother. With its latest major update to the iPhone's operating system, Apple has introduced a brand new autocorrect that promises to revolutionize word prediction. How does it work? Well, they've implemented a transformer model, which falls into the same category as AI powerhouses like GPT-4 and Claude. This cutting-edge model runs directly on your device, ensuring that your privacy remains intact while you compose your messages. But that's not all. Autocorrect in iOS 17 has upped its game even further. It now offers suggestions for entire sentences, taking a page from Google's Gmail Smart Compose feature. Picture this. As you type, Autocorrect will intelligently propose full sentence suggestions that seamlessly blend with your writing style. It's like having an AI-powered writing assistant right at your fingertips, helping you craft your messages with ease and efficiency. Live voicemail. Apple's game-changing live voicemail feature for the iPhone's phone app is revolutionizing the voicemail experience. When someone can't reach you and leaves a voicemail, the phone app springs into action, displaying a captivating real-time transcript on your screen. It unfolds word by word, matching the caller's speech as they speak, transforming audio into live text before your eyes. This remarkable feat is made possible by Apple's Neural Engine, a cutting-edge technology that operates entirely on your device, preserving your privacy. No data is shared with Apple's servers. With live voicemail, you gain convenience and efficiency, eliminating the need to listen to lengthy voicemails and jot down details. Instead, you can effortlessly read the real-time transcript, absorbing information hassle-free. Apple has reimagined the voicemail experience, making it more convenient and user-friendly. New speech recognition model. Have you ever wished for a magical button on your iPhone that could transform your spoken words into written text? Well, guess what? Apple has already granted that wish with its existing dictation feature. All you have to do is tap the tiny microphone icon on your default iPhone keyboard, and you're ready to start speaking and watch your words magically appear as written text. But let's be honest, the current dictation feature has had its fair share of hit-or-miss moments. Sometimes it's spot on, while other times it leaves you scratching your head in confusion. Thankfully, Apple has been hard at work to address this issue and bring you an even more accurate and reliable dictation experience with iOS 17. How do they plan to achieve this? Well, Apple is introducing a brand new speech recognition model with the upcoming iOS update. While the exact details remain a mystery, we can safely assume that this enhanced feature leverages the power of on-device machine learning to make your dictation sessions smoother and more accurate than ever before. FaceTime Presenter Mode. Apple's latest announcement may not have included a new physical Apple TV box, but they certainly didn't disappoint with their unveiling of FaceTime for Apple TV. This groundbreaking feature takes your FaceTime experience to new heights by leveraging the power of your nearby iPhone or iPad. When you initiate a FaceTime call on your Apple TV, it ingeniously utilizes the camera on your iPhone or iPad as the incoming video source. Imagine the convenience of having larger-than-life video calls displayed on your TV screen, with the participants' faces front and center. It brings the entire FaceTime experience to your living room, creating a more immersive and engaging virtual gathering. But Apple didn't stop there. They also introduced a captivating presentation mode that adds dynamism to your video calls. Imagine being able to showcase apps or share your computer screen seamlessly during a FaceTime call. With the presentation mode, you can do just that. Not only does it display your chosen content, but it also shows a live view of your face or head and shoulders alongside it. Apple offers two unique views for the presenter's video feed. In one view, your face elegantly shrinks into a small circle that you can effortlessly move around the screen, maintaining a strong connection with your audience. The second view places your head and shoulders in front of the shared content, allowing you to interact with it naturally. Apple Journal. Have you ever thought about keeping a journal? Well, Apple believes it has discovered a remarkable way to help you reflect and practice gratitude using the power of on-device machine learning. Introducing the Apple Journal app, a game-changer in the world of digital journaling, available on iOS 17. This innovative app takes journaling to a whole new level by automatically gathering recent photos, workout details, and other activities from your phone and presenting them as a personalized, unfinished digital journal entry. Imagine effortlessly capturing the essence of your day in a visually captivating format. With the Apple Journal app, you have the freedom to edit the content, add your own thoughts, and include new multimedia elements as you see fit, creating a truly personalized journaling experience. But that's not all. Apple has also introduced a new API called Journaling Suggestions, opening up exciting possibilities for app developers. This API empowers developers to integrate their own apps with the Journal app, making their content seamlessly available as potential journal entries for users. Just imagine the potential. Fitness apps can automatically import workout summaries, travel apps can pull in memorable moments from your adventures, and dining apps can capture those delightful culinary experiences. The opportunities are endless. Personalized volume. You can now experience a new level of personalization with Apple's latest feature for AirPods called Personalized Volume. This cutting-edge functionality harnesses the power of machine learning to adapt to your unique listening preferences and environmental conditions over time. With personalized volume, your AirPods will automatically adjust the volume to deliver the audio experience you desire without you having to lift a finger. Photo recognition for cats and dogs. Apple is taking its on-device machine learning capabilities even further, extending its photo recognition prowess to include our beloved four-legged friends. Up until now, Apple's photo organization app, Photos, could identify different individuals based on their appearance, allowing you to easily find and relive special moments with friends and family. However, there was one important group missing from this feature: our furry companions. At the highly anticipated WWDC 2023 event, Apple unveiled an exciting update. Thanks to their enhanced machine learning program, the photo recognition feature in Photos now extends its remarkable abilities to include cats and dogs. Now, when you navigate to the People and Places section of the iPhone Photos app, you'll discover mini albums not only for yourself, your child, and your spouse, but also for your adorable pets. These features really showcase Apple's commitment to not only innovating, but innovating with intent. Their features might be a bit behind in terms of where the industry is at, but they were exactly what its users wanted. So, which AI features are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Until next time.